Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are stopping by for the first time, I'm fresh. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a DIY French coils. This is how it looks like, and I'm also going to show you how to make this wig from scratch to finish, how to ventilate. So let's get started. Alright, I'm going to be using these 2 pack of attachments, these 2 colors. This is what I'm going to be using, expression packs. I'm going to be doing cutting tool for the both packs of attachments. I'm going to do cutting tool to achieve the coils, and also I'm going to do cutting tail, but in this video I'm going to just do cutting tool for you guys to see. After I'm done cutting the attachment, I'm going to just stretch it, give it a fish line a little. I'm not going to be doing the big fish line. I'm just going to give the tip a little fish line and stretch it. This is what I mean, just a little fish line. This is how the boat looks like, the boat color. I've done the fish lines, the boat attachment, and this is how it looks like. Now I'm going to be stretching. For the stretching, just make sure that the stretcher is not too hot, like it's a medium or in a low. It's not too hot. I'm going to be stretching it to give it a sleek look before tangling. Okay, and with these 2 colors of attachment, what I'm going to do is to mix them together randomly. Mix it together. As you can see, I've stretched the 2 attachments, so I'm just mixing it together. And you can also decide to use both attachments separately, to tangle both attachments separately. In this video I'm going to be using both separately and mixing together before tangling. I'm going to do both to achieve a different coils for this tutorial. After pouring the hot water, I'm going to allow it to cool down a little because it's too hot now to unravel. We're going to allow it to cool. Now I'm unraveling this from the pole. I'm just unraveling it from the holder. Okay guys, this is how it looks like. I'm going to use this to braid. I'm going to use it for the knotless braiding wig I'm going to do. I'll start by ventilating. If you are new to my ventilating video, do well to subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be giving some ventilating tips in this channel. I'm going to be ventilating this, like giving it a guideline to ventilate. This is the method I use in this ventilating wig. Give it a guideline, then ventilate the bust line and braid. Do your braiding. This is how the back and front of what I've just ventilated. This is how it looks like. I want to start the wigging and knotless braiding process. For the braiding, it's advisable that when you are doing your knotless braid, use attachment that is not coiled, like that we did not do the DIY coils with. Use it to make your knotless braid. Why we are doing this is because when you use attachment that is coiled, before you finish making the knotless braid, you won't even see the coils again, and moreover it will be difficult to detangle the coils and make your knotless braid. But at the back of the wig, I use the coiled braid, the coiled attachment, because it's just one. What you have to do is just to slightly detangle the coils and make the back. For the front, I'm using a straight attachment. This is what I'm trying to make you understand. I'm using a straight attachment to make the front. So at the tip of the attachment, I'm going to add the coils. Now this is how the coils look like. So I'm going to slightly detangle it, then add it at the tip of the attachment. So after I've added the coiled attachment to the tip, I'm going to add it in the hot water. This is how it looks like, guys. I've added it in the hot water and this is how it looks like. And I hope you enjoyed this video. This is how the front looks like. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and do well to subscribe to my channel to be part of the family. This is a DIY French looking coils. This is how it looks like. So see you in my next video and thank you for watching. Bye.